I'm going to be doing the assembly and disassembly of an AK47 M70AB2T. Before we get into that, we're going to talk about the safety. But then you're going to unload the mag by pressing the trigger. It's going to unload the magazine. And you're going to pull the charging handle back, visually inspect it, and then point it away from anybody and at the ground to release the pressure. Take off the top of the AK. You're just going to push the little button. It's already pushed in. And then big button on the top. Comes off nice and easy. Then you're just going to push this little button again and just push the spring back. Then you're going to pull the charging handle back. Doesn't sound like it comes out easily, but it does. Then you have the bolt right here. Well, while you're taking it apart, might as well clean it. And then you're going to take this one right here, looks like a liver. Then you're going to put it in this little hole. Just keep on turning it to make sure it's in. Push it back and forth. Then you're just going to slide this back in the bore. Push down. See, it came out because I didn't do it right. Slide it in. Push down. And that's how easy it is. And you're going to take the spring, it's just going to slide in nice and easy, push it in, there's going to be teeth right here, and it just slides in. You take the top, push down, and then you see here it's not all the way out, you just push the button on the side, it comes back out. And that's how to assemble and disassemble the AK.